Have you ever been improvising with a mode and felt like your solo wasn't going anywhere? You're playing the right notes, you're listening, but something feels missing. Nothing seems to pull the music forward or build any real sense of momentum. Today, I want to show you how players like Miles Davis create shape and drama in modal solos without playing faster or adding any more notes. The idea itself is very simple, but it's something great players use constantly, often without thinking about it. And in this video, I'll show you how you can start using it in your own playing straight away. The idea I'm talking about today is one I come back to a lot. I think of it as stretching the elastic band, and it gets right to the source of drama and storytelling in music, tension and release. I want to show you how Miles Davis uses this idea in one of the most iconic solos in jazz history, his solo on So What from Kind of Blue. So What is built around long stretches of a single chord using one mode. There's no fast-moving harmony underneath to create momentum, so that means the drama has to come from somewhere else. Now, I'll quickly outline the scale that Miles is using, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. If you want to explore the scale properly in your own practice and this idea, I've made a free PDF with everything laid out clearly, including all the notes in all transpositions, so you can play it whatever instrument you're playing. There's a link below in the description. So this is the scale. It's D Dorian. And for most of this tune, everything sits over one chord, D minor 7. On the surface, that sounds really simple, but simplicity creates a challenge. Without harmonic movement, it's easy for things to feel static or directionless. When Miles plays on So What, it never feels that way. Think of the first note of the scale, the tonic, as a point of stability. When you play it, there's very little tension. But as you move away from that note, step by step, you start to feel a pull, a sense of gravity drawing you back. The further away you move from the tonic, the more tension you create. If you start listening for that feeling, you can use it deliberately to shape your lines. You can start from a place of relaxation, move away, build tension, stretch the elastic band, and return, letting it go. You can even start from tension and then gradually release it. Let's listen to the very first phrase that Miles plays in his solo, the first 8 bars. Listen out for the idea. Did you hear it? He starts his phrase like this. And here's the tonic here. So he moves away, comes back. Then he moves away again for a little bit longer, lets the tension linger, and back. Stretches the elastic even further, makes us wait, and then comes back. There is so much drama just in that short phrase. It's super effective, and it's all just using that idea of tension and release, stretching the elastic band. Now, you might have noticed something else about Miles's phrase. Most of the time, he doesn't move in steps. He stretches the elastic much more quickly than that. Let's see what happens if, instead of moving step by step, we skip every other note of the scale. I'm still using the same Dorian scale, the same notes, but now the elastic band is stretched much further, much more quickly. Listen to how the tension ramps up as I move higher. This is what it can sound like to explore this version of the idea. Can you hear how much more intense it feels? The pull is stronger, it feels more dramatic, and it's all the same scale, the same idea, just stretching the elastic twice as far. Now listen to this moment from Miles's solo. Miles starts right up at the far end of our stretched out scale, maximum tension straight away, and he doesn't release it immediately. He lets it hang, he explores the sound and just sits in it and bathes in it and just gradually begins to let the tension go as he moves back down. It's incredibly effective and all from the same scale using the same simple idea. Now you can start using this idea straight away. First of all, learn the scale so it's comfortable under your fingers. You can use the PDF for that. When you've got it down and memorized, start on the tonic and move away. Just feel the pull and listen to the sound and then gradually move back. Just explore it and listen for that tension and that release. Move away again a little bit further and move back. And start improvising simple phrases. Just experiment with how far you stretch the elastic, how long you let the tension last. It's not a formula that you can apply mechanically. You have to listen. You have to train your ears and your instincts and just spend time with it. Try experimenting with this yourself over a modal tune and see how much shape and drama you can create just using tension and release. Everything we've talked about today is laid out clearly in the free PDF linked below, so you can take your time exploring it in your own practice. On this channel, I release weekly videos with practical ideas, practice games, and guided play-alongs to help you develop your instincts as an improviser. So if you found this useful, like the video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you get on. Thank you for watching.